This video is about sketching sine and cosine functions. First of all, let's sketch these four basic sine and cosine functions. Y equals sine x from 0, 0, 91, 180, 0, 270, negative 1, 360, 0. For y equals negative sine x, it's a reflection of y equals sine x across x-axis. 0, 0, 90, negative 1, 180, 0, 271, 360, 0. Then sketch the graph like this. For y equals cosine x, start with the maximum point, 90, 0, 180, negative 1, 270, 0, 360, 1. Y equals negative cosine x. We will make y equals cosine x reflect across x-axis. This will be the graph. Try to remember the pattern of these four basic sine and cosine functions. We will sketch the graph without calculator. Then I will show you how to sketch the graph on the graphing calculator. Amplitude equals the absolute value of negative 50 equals 50. Midline equals 30. So we get maximum value 30 plus 50, 80. Minimum value 30 minus 50 equals negative 20. The new origin, no horizontal translation. We have a vertical translation up 30 units. So new origin is 0, 30. For the pattern, negative sine x pattern. So the graph like this. Period 360 degree over 90 degree equals 4. Find 0, 30 here. Draw the midline. Y equals 30. On the midline, we will find the period from new origin, 4. Then half, half, half. Maximum is 80 here. Minimum, negative 20 is here. From 0, 0. Minimum, midline, maximum, then the value on the midline. Sketch the graph like this. We can use this pattern to sketch another cycle. We still use a scratch pad. Graph. We'll put the function into f1 of x. Then enter. You need to change the window setting. Menu 4, 1. For the window setting, we will use the graph given. X minimum is 0, X maximum 12. X skew. For trig function, normally use period divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Y minimum, negative 30. Maximum, 100. Skew, 100 divided by 10 10. Then enter. This is the graph. Make sure angle in degree. We can figure out maximum and minimum. Go to menu. 6. Analyze the graph. Minimum. One, -20. Then control menu. Recent, minimum. 5, -20. Control menu. Recent, minimum again. 9, -20. For maximum, menu. 6, 3, 380. Then control menu. Recent, maximum. 780. Control menu. Recent, maximum. 1180. Let's go to question 2. Y equals 40 cosine 30x degree minus 20. Amplitude equals 40. Midline equals -20. So we get maximum equals -20 plus 40 equals 20. Minimum equals -20 minus 40 equals -60. New origin. No horizontal translation. We do have a vertical translation down 20 units. Pattern, positive cosine x. Then period, 360 degree over 30 degree equals 12. 0, -20. Draw the midline. Y equals -20. Maximum is positive 20. Minimum, -60. Find the period from this new origin. 12. Half, half, half. Then we can sketch the graph or use this pattern. Get another cycle. Now let's go to graphing calculator. We want to clear this history. Control menu. Enter. Then click scratch pad again. We go to this graph. Clear this history. Control menu. 4. Enter. Make sure you also change the graph setting. Go to menu. 8. Display digits. Change into auto. Then check automatically label points. OK. Use the tab to make f1 of x show up. Also make sure angle is in degree. Then we put our function. Enter. We will use the given graph to change the window. Menu 4. Enter. X minimum 0. X maximum 24. X skew, period divided by 4. Period is 12. Divided by 4. Y minimum, -70. Y maximum, 30. Y skew is 10. we can figure out the maximum and minimum from this graph, also the y-intercept, and the value when x equals 24. Go to menu 6, minimum. -60, control menu, recent, minimum. 18, -60, menu 6, maximum. 12, 20, what's the y-intercept? What's the value when x equals 24? Go back this calculator on Scratchpad. Use this variable F1, 0, enter. We get y-intercept. Variable F1, 24, enter. We get the value when x equals 24.